name is Samuel Mora. I'm the operations manager in Nellions Moving and the Locations Company. Right now, we are so grateful to have achieved 10 years as a company, and we appreciate all our clients over the year, the corporate world, the individuals, more than 15,000 households that we have moved in the last 10 years.
I also ensure that I pair the teams according to their experience and the expertise in the furniture installations.
To ensure clear communication, we have a team captain on board who is a point of contact between we in the office and the client, and to ensure that the flow is maintained and we meet deadlines and we meet the timeline set by the client. We ensure that enough manpower is available, as we have a big pool of trained staff within the Nellions Academy.
Because as movers, we are taught about being reliable, not sharing each and everyone's information however you may feel like. So choose Nellions. Whenever you want to move, choose Nellions.